Hey, in today's video, I want to talk to you about something that came up last week in the chat in the groups, and somebody had a question: how often do you follow up? When do you quit following up? You know, how long should you follow up? I want to talk to you today about don't follow up and why you shouldn't. Stand by. Hey, don't get all nervous on me. I'm not talking about just give people estimates and leave. Here's the problem. We shouldn't follow up because when we follow up with people, you're really just chasing them. If you're following up with people, you're missing something very important. There's only 4 things that can happen at the end of a meeting. Sales call, end of a service call. The person can say, yes, let's fix it or let's buy it. The person can say no. That's a good answer. The person can give you the next step. Y'all can decide together what the next step is. But the next step has always got to be another meeting scheduled on a calendar at a specific time. Now, it doesn't have to be face-to-face, but if it's a phone call, it needs to be a day and a time and a scheduled time to do it, and it has to be agreed upon by both parties. The rule is you never leave a meeting without knowing what happens next. So you can learn a lesson. That's the 4th thing. Most of you guys are followed up because you're not learning the lesson. Set the meeting. And that's a really hard skill to learn because people don't want to give you a meeting. But that's also a red flag that they're not really that interested. So that's another lesson that you got to learn. But remember, here's 4 things that happen at the end of the sales call. They can say yes, they can say no, they can tell you what the next step is, or you can learn a lesson. If you're following up with people, you're not getting clear futures, you're not setting clear expectations about what the next step is. Every meeting's got to lead you closer to yes or no, one of those 2. Hey, thank you for watching. Go visit my website, rogerdaviston.com. There's tons of stuff to read there, and e-courses, books. And if you think I can help you, let me know. Hey, God bless. I hope this helped you.